Hi, it's Mel here, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how you can fix a common issue with the Microsoft Authenticator. So sometimes if you've got an authenticator for Microsoft and you've needed to restore your phone or something like that, the authenticator doesn't properly restore. And so what it actually requires is for you to remove that authenticator and put it back in order to be able to start using it to log into your Microsoft 365 account. So I'm just logged in here into the Microsoft 365 portal, and I've got an authenticator on this account. So all you need to do is simply go to your profile icon up here, click View Account, and then we click on Security Info. It may ask you to check the account that you want to log in with. And now you'll see here under the security info, you've actually got the details of your different types of authentication that you've approved. So, and here is the Microsoft Authenticator, and you have to delete that and then create a new one. Now, in order to delete this, you may need to actually change this default up here. So this is the default sign-in method. You just need to click change, and look, if you don't have any other sign-in method there, you may need to add one. So just add your mobile phone, change that default, delete the authenticator, and then you can actually restore that as well. So this is how, as a user, you can actually fix your own authenticator issues without actually having to go through IT.